One question that data professionals have to put up with time and again is what is the difference between data science, machine learning, and big data? They think, are they overlapping fields or are they poles apart? Let's break it down for you in this video. So please share and subscribe and click on that bell icon to get regular updates and stay tuned for the video ahead. Well, hello, my name is Afreen Rahman, and anyone who's deeply involved in technology world or tech world has surely heard the term big data, data science, and machine learning. Today, the world is sitting over a data gold mine, right? IBM maintains that every day we create about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. A quintillion. You know what a quintillion is? A quintillion is a billion times billion, right? However, I'm going to talk about the difference between big data, machine learning, and finally data science. So, starting with big data, right? Now, big data is not your conventional data, right? Big data, it encompasses all kinds of data that is structured, semi structured, unstructured, and is based on three fundamental pillars or the three V's that we call, which is volume, velocity, and variety, right? Coming to machine learning. Machine learning is a discipline under data science. It imparts and empowers machines to think and act for themselves, right? So, in other words, ML technology enables computers that can learn from patterns and behavior and act accordingly without any human intervention or without being explicitly programmed to do so, right? Finally, we come to the very, very root of it all, which is called data science. Now, data science is a discipline that utilizes a combination of mathematical, statistical, and computational tools to acquire, process, and then analyze big data, right? Thus, big data and ML fits right into the broader canvas of data science that takes into consideration the entire concept of processing data of a large size, right? Now that we have managed to simplify it a little bit for you, let us tell you how to pick between these fields, okay? So if you are someone who is equipped with exceptional programming skills, and you're well versed in big data infrastructure, you should offer a career in big data, right? Because like I said, big data encompasses roles like big data engineer or big data architect, right? Now, if data structures, algorithms, and mathematical models interest you, ML is the perfect career for you, right? Now, companies, they are constantly or always on the hunt for talented machine learning engineers who can work with algorithms to transfer data into actionable insights for an enhanced customer experience, right? Now, if you are aiming for something more ambitious, like playing with vast amount of data and getting valuable insights from then obviously you have to go for data science, right? As it is all about extracting meaningful insights and patterns from large data sets and then visualizing them into data driven business decisions, right? So we hope this gave you some clarity on what each of these fields entails and how you can go about picking the right field for you to make a successful career. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get regular updates so that whenever there's a video out, you're the first one to get notified. Thank you so much.